Hello guys, welcome. If you can't see the option to create a public profile, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video I'll show you exactly how it's done. So guys, firstly you need to meet the requirements. First, make sure your account meets the basic ones. You must be at least 18 years old, have had Snapchat for more than 24 hours and verify both your email and phone number. So if you want to check this information, tap your Bitmoji, go to settings, mobile number and email, and make sure both are verified. If you still don't see the option, switch to a create account. You need to go to your profile, tap the settings gear icon, scroll to public profiles or create options, tap create public profile if available. If you don't see it yet, don't worry, let's force it to appear. So for that, try posting at least one public story, that means not sending it to just friends. Then go to your profile and add a short bio or profile photo. Snapchat sometimes needs a bit of activity to unlock the public profile option. Still missing, it might be regional. The public profile feature isn't available in every country, so you can try this workaround. Go to your device's app settings, change your app store region to the US or Canada, then reinstall Snapchat and sign in again. Remember, use a region where public profiles are supported. And if none of these work, log out and log back in or clear the Snapchat app cache. And that's it, one of those steps should get your public profile working again. And if this helps you out, guys, don't forget to support our channel with a thumbs up for the video, leave a comment, and press the notification bell to not miss new videos, and subscribe.